Imagine this. You're packed into a crowded subway car. The air is thick, almost suffocating. Suddenly, a pungent wave of body odor washes over you, hitting you like a wall. Your nose crinkles in protest, and you instinctively pull away, trying to escape the invisible assault. We've all been there. Body odor, that unmistakable human aroma, has a way of making itself known, often at the most inconvenient times. But what exactly causes it? Why do some people seem to have stronger body odor than others? Body odor, or BO as it's often called, is a natural part of being human. It's something we all experience, yet it remains a bit of a mystery to many. It's the result of a fascinating interplay between our bodies and the microscopic world around us. Our skin is home to millions of bacteria, each playing a role in this olfactory phenomenon. Believe it or not, sweat itself doesn't actually smell. It's a common misconception that sweat is the culprit behind body odor. It's the bacteria on our skin, feasting on our sweat, that create those unpleasant odors. These bacteria break down the proteins and fats in our sweat, producing volatile compounds that we perceive as body odor. Our sense of smell is incredibly powerful. It's one of the most acute senses we possess. It can detect even the faintest whiff of body odor, alerting us to the presence of others and potential threats. This sensitivity played a crucial role in our survival. In the wild, being able to smell danger like a predator or spoiled food was essential for staying alive. Think about it. In our evolutionary past, being able to smell danger like spoiled food was essential. It helped our ancestors avoid harmful substances and stay safe. But our noses aren't just good at detecting threats. They also play a surprising role in social interactions, influencing how we perceive and connect with others. Our sense of smell can influence our mood, our memories, and even our relationships. Believe it or not, body odor can actually convey information about our health, our emotions, and even our compatibility with potential partners. It's a form of nonverbal communication that we're only beginning to understand. It's a hidden language that we're only beginning to understand. Pheromones, the chemical signals we emit, play a significant role in this silent communication, affecting how we interact with those around us. So next time you catch a whiff of body odor, remember, it's more than just an unpleasant smell. It's a complex interplay of biology and chemistry, a reminder of our shared humanity and the invisible connections that bind us all. Let's talk sweat. It's something we all experience, yet it's often misunderstood. It might seem like a nuisance, especially on a hot day or during a tough workout. You might find yourself constantly wiping it away, feeling sticky and uncomfortable. But sweat actually plays a vital role in keeping our bodies cool and functioning properly. Without it, our bodies would overheat, leading to serious health issues. We have millions of sweat glands all over our skin. These tiny structures are essential for regulating our body temperature. These glands come in two main types, eccrine and apocrine. Each type has a unique function and location on our bodies. Eccrine glands are the most common type. They're found all over our bodies, from our forehead to the soles of our feet. They produce a watery sweat that's mostly made up of water and salt. This sweat is clear and doesn't have much of an odor. This type of sweat is our body's natural air conditioning system. When we get hot, whether from exercise or high temperatures, eccrine glands release sweat. As the sweat evaporates from our skin, it helps to cool us down. This process is crucial for maintaining a stable internal temperature. Apocrine glands, on the other hand, are a bit more specialized. They're not as widespread as eccrine glands. They're mainly found in our armpits and groin area, and they produce a thicker, oilier sweat that's also rich in proteins and fats. This sweat is different in composition and function. This type of sweat is what bacteria love to feast on. When bacteria break down the proteins and fats in apocrine sweat, it produces body odor. Now, you might be wondering why we have apocrine glands at all if their sweat is what causes body odor. It seems counterintuitive, doesn't it? Well, scientists believe that apocrine sweat may have played a role in communication in our evolutionary past. It's thought that the scent produced by apocrine glands could convey information about an individual's identity, health, and even emotional state. Think of it like a primitive form of perfume. Before the advent of modern fragrances, our natural scent played a significant role in social interactions. These glands become active during puberty, and the scent they produce can change based on factors like diet, stress, and even our emotions. This is why teenagers often experience a change in body odor. While we don't rely on scent as much for communication these days, apocrine glands are a fascinating reminder of our evolutionary history. They connect us to our ancestors and the ways they might have interacted with each other. Today, we manage body odor with deodorants and antiperspirants, but it's interesting to think about how our bodies have evolved to produce these scents naturally. So the next time you find yourself sweating, remember that it's not just a nuisance. It's a complex and essential process that keeps you cool and connects you to your evolutionary past. Embrace the sweat and appreciate the incredible ways your body works to keep you healthy and functioning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content.